It's a 2016 Ford Super Duty F-350 single rear wheel. When you're built Ford tough, you look forward to the rough patches. This F-350 thrives when the work is hardest. It comes with all the amenities you need: V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Sync Services Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, power scope power extendable trailer mirrors, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Built on tradition, built to last, Ford. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.